steaming vlog. Hey! Hi neighbor, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. I decided to do another one of these like shorter quick tips videos, and this one is about one thing that I have learned over the years that I feel like not everybody knows, but some people know, is that if you don't have a steamer, you're missing out. If all you do to de-wrinkle your clothes is to iron them or try to use one of those wrinkle spray things, you're wasting a lot of your time, and especially with very lightweight fabrics, you could be damaging them with an iron. So I just wanted to show you my little steamer. I like it and it helps me, and if that helps you, I hope you enjoy this video. So this is the dress that I want to wear today. It's from City Chic, and I got it in a haul from coedition.com. I did that haul on my channel. And as you can see, it's got some wrinkles, especially in the skirt. Yeah, see, look at, because I'm really bad at like hanging up my clothes, but I wanted to wear this today. The fabric is a pretty substantial thick knit. Like think about like ponte pants, like one step down from ponte pants, I would say. You could absolutely iron this fabric. However, ironing boards are small and dresses are big. And then you have to deal with like, oh, am I gonna iron the corner of the board into my dress and then create a wrinkle? And like, it's more complicated in my opinion than just setting up a steamer and steaming it. So this is my steamer. What is it? Joy My Little Steamer Go Mini. I found it at Bed Bath & Beyond, I think, right before I went to college. This was like $20, and I was like, I don't know, best $20 I ever spent, just saying. So I have it filled with water, and I'm gonna turn it on. You can hear it starting to boil. It has a little rock in there. I don't really get how the rock is the heat source. I'm not complaining though. And it starts to boil the water, so you get the steam. And then quite literally, you use the steam to de-wrinkle the clothing. And it feels like a video game a little bit. So the steam is coming out at a pretty good rate. So now you hold it near the wrinkles. And the wrinkles loosen up. It's similar to when you dry clothes in the dryer. The clothes come out wrinkle-free because the steam from like the water drying off of the fabric loosens it up. So that's basically exactly what you're doing here, except with a steamer. So you just hold it over the wrinkles. So there, as you can see, it's pretty quick, pretty easy. It's just been like a minute and the wrinkles are coming out of that section that I steamed. One thing the steamer does not do is remove the cat hair, so you have to lint roll that off yourself. It is better to lint roll before you steam, otherwise the lint and cat hairs just get kind of moved around. I neglected to do that. Sorry. That's my boyfriend feeding my cat and humming Hamilton. Knit fabrics like this are perfect for steaming because they just like soak up all of that hot water and release those wrinkles like almost immediately. Now keep in mind it is steam, so it's hot, so you don't want to put your hand like right into the steam, but you can just kind of pull the fabric taut so you get a flat surface to steam, and the wrinkles will come out. In the morning when I'm busy and I need to get things done in a timely fashion, I always like steaming over ironing, just because ironing is more unpredictable to me. And I also worry that either I'm gonna, with my ADD and my general slight clumsiness, that either I'm gonna accidentally like knock the iron over and like drop it or burn myself or something, or that I'm gonna get distracted and forget and leave the iron sitting on my garment and like burn a hole in it. That's the last thing that I want. So I like having a steamer. I feel like it's a little more user-friendly than irons. And again, this was 20 bucks. You can see I'm starting to run out of water, but you can get ones that have larger like tanks of water. This one is a mini. There are some things that irons definitely are better for. Like if you have the type of pants with that line down the front or like with a specific kind of seam that you want to really press into place, then an iron would be better for that. But irons can also kind of melt fabrics, so you have to just be careful. Like a lot of chiffon, for example, and a lot of polyester made pieces would be melted by an iron, so it'd be better to steam those, and they respond really well to a steamer as well. They steam like in the blink of an eye. This dress is taking a little while because it's an entire dress and it has a lot of fabric, but if it was like one of my chiffon sleeveless button-up chiffon shirts, then it would be done in 30 seconds. Yeah. So that's it. Just a couple minutes and my dress is ready to go. So here is the de-wrinkled version, which I hope it looks different on camera. It definitely looks different in person. And you know, just took a couple minutes and it's ready to go. And honestly, like I said, I feel like it's a more user-friendly and kind of fun way to get wrinkles out than doing an iron or a spray. Also, if you're a little forgetful and a little clumsy like me and you don't want to like forget your iron and burn your fabric, or like drop your iron and burn yourself, or have any other kind of issues like that, then a steamer is a better way to go. Like I said, I found this one at Bed Bath & Beyond. I feel like I still see them there. You don't have to buy this one. That's where I found this one on a whim. I'm not sponsored by Bed Bath & Beyond nor by this steamer company. I just like steamers and I feel like not everybody uses them, and they're a very easy, fast way to get wrinkles out of your clothes. Yeah, if you don't have a steamer, in my opinion, you're missing out. But let me know in the comments below what you do to get wrinkles out. Are you a steamer fan? Do you iron daily? Do you use wrinkle spray? Or do you not really care and just wear stuff that is wrinkly? Does this topic matter to you at all? Let me know in the comments below if this was interesting in any way. While you're down there commenting, I hope that you enter my giveaway. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will give away 100 American dollars to one of my subscribers. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel and go to my Instagram at prettyhippieme, follow me there, and come on back to this video or any other video that mentions the giveaway, comment with your Instagram, because that's where I will be contacting the winner. I hope you do that. I hope you win $100. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you and your time and the fact that you are spending your time here with me and my, not gonna lie, great makeup today. I used a BH Cosmetics palette that I've never tried before. I'm very happy with it. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, honestly. So much love. Bye.